Hello guys, this is me Chillings with Mukaddam Jamil back again with another video, and today we are gonna be learning about Canva. Well, the basics of Canva, like how do we sign into Canva and all the stuff like that. So first you would like to search canva.com, and then it will take you to this page. Searching canva.com will take you to this page, and you can either then you need to press the sign up button, and you can continue with your Google, or if you have any Facebook or other Apple accounts, then you can go that way. But since my main account is on Google, I will be using that one. Alright, and now we just need to wait for it to load, and it will just take a bit, and then it will sign you into canva.com. As you can see, there is a lot to take in over here, but today I'll just tell you like the basics. Now like over here you might want to try to, over here this is for you. You can go to documents if you want to make here, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and websites. So, and there are also some more options, but today we'll just kind of discuss like the for you page, and I'll mainly just tell you how to make like just the pictures on Canva and videos. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make pictures, like the basics. I am not going to like go in much detail today, but in later videos I will go in detail. Alright, so we will choose Facebook post, but you can choose any type of thing you want, any type of thing which is like imagery. Alright, so we are gonna be create blank. You have to press this button over here. Now I would recommend Facebook post because like it has like basically like the best angles to use for like a picture, as you can see over here. And now it's over here. We are over here, and today I'm just gonna tell you how to only do images, not gonna tell you about the videos. I'm gonna do that in a later course. Alright, so there is a lot to take in here. There is the templates and elements section. I'll tell you everything, and the main thing you want to just know about Canva is that whenever there is like this gold thing and there's pro written under it, that means if you want to use it, you gotta purchase Canva Pro, which I currently don't have, sadly. So these are videos which we don't want, so we are going to be going to elements. Now in elements, it's basically like something you want to use for making images. Most things you want to make images mostly come from elements. So yes. Alright, so as you can see, there are graphics, there are stickers, there are shapes, and these are some designs I've used recently. But let's go down. These are the shapes, these are the graphics, these are the stickers. Now I think you should not use the stickers because like the stickers, they're moving and it will like turn it into a video. But if you want a video, you can use the stickers. Alright, but today we are making a birthday card. Okay, so like on the way I'll tell you about Canva. So for when you want something to search, you gotta press this search elements button. And what do you want to search? You want to search birthday, you want to search, like it was my birthday just yesterday, so we are gonna be making a birthday card. So we search birthday. You don't want to write birthday card because you don't want to like exactly copy it. So we are going to be writing birthday, and then here comes some designs. Now most of these are sadly most of these are Canva Pro, but some of these aren't, and we are gonna use those. Like, let's for example, we'll use this as the background. All right. Now we'll bring it here, and if you want a certain image to act as a background, you gotta left click on it and press and then you gotta press this button, set image as background. When you do this, it will automatically set it as a background. Now some other things we want are obviously a happy birthday sign, or maybe some balloons will work, but maybe not these balloons. All right, we are gonna use these balloons because these look much better. As you can see, these do look pretty cool, so we are gonna use these, and these are also for free, so even better. We're gonna put another bunch over here, and it looks pretty nice. Now we are gonna also bring some like presents. Now we gotta write presents. And when we write presents, we gotta press enter, and we get everything here. Like graphics over here, we got this, we got this. We got this one. We are gonna use this one because this looks pretty cool. And yes, birthday cards are not the only thing you can make on Canva. You can make many other things, but I'm just using this birthday card as an example. And we are gonna make it small over here. And if you want another one on the other side, then you don't need to like just get another one from there. You can also just duplicate it, and when you duplicate it, it will take a bit of time, but eventually there will be two of these, and I think this looks pretty cool. So nice. All right, so now we want like happy birthday written over there and a cake. We want cake in the middle for it to look pretty good. Cake. We write cake. We press enter, and kaboom, it's almost here. Wait for it to load, and we got these amazing graphics. I mostly like to use graphics, but you can also use photos and videos. But today we are not looking at the videos. We are going to be looking at the videos later. So this birthday cake, this one, but we want like exactly the best one, so we are going to choose this one. Alright, so we bring this here, and this is a bit too big, so we are gonna make it a bit smaller, and then we are gonna be dragging it right here. Alright, pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty amazing, nice. Alright, now we want to write happy birthday at top. So you can just take some happy birthday designs from here, but most of them are paid, so we are gonna be writing our own text. But we can also just also look from here. Let's write happy birthday, and we press enter, and now we are gonna see some graphics over here. These are the old graphics that we were using. We can use this one. Alright, this one looks pretty cool, but I want to teach you some new stuff as well. So we're gonna go to text, and how this works is we I used this for my most recent video, and you can use this one, happy birthday. You can also change the fonts and the size and change what's also written on them, so it's just like amazing. I think text is one of the best features on Canva. Well, it kind of is everywhere, to be honest, but it's a pretty good feature. And as you can see, this is looking pretty nice. We bring the cake down here a bit lower. We need to make it a bit lower so we can see the happy birthday sign a bit more properly. Oh, I just accidentally pressed the crop button anyway, so I should just also tell you about the crop button. You can crop it. That's what the crop button's about. You probably know about cropping, to be honest. It's kind of simple. You just gotta crop the image. I don't think I need to explain you what cropping is. All right, so this looks pretty good. And if you want to write the person's name, you just gotta press it. Gotta press the font, and then you gotta press enter. If you want to also delete this, you can also delete this part. And if you just want happy to be written, you can just delete the birthday part by pressing delete birthday. And happy birthday to Mukadam, let's say, or whoever you're saying happy birthday to. You just gotta press enter, and then in the second line you can write. And if you want the font to be a bit smaller, if you want all of this to be a bit smaller, you just need to highlight it. You would want to highlight happy and birthday, and then you gotta go over here, and then you can change the font to whatever you want. Let me just put this in exactly the center. Alright, so our project looks pretty good now. It looks pretty nice. And you can not only just use the Canva for making happy birthday cards, you can use it for making many other things as well. Now Brand Hub, it's a kind of just Brand Hub is a Canva Pro feature, so I'm not going to be telling you about it in this video, but I am going to be telling you about is the uploads. So in the uploads, you gotta upload a file from here, and then a file from your computer will automatically download over here, and then you can use it over here. Alright, I think you get it. It's pretty simple. And draw, I don't think anyone kind of uses draw because it kind of just ruins the whole thing. But if you are making like a short video and you're like highlighting the image and you're circling things, then the draw can be useful. But for me, it's kind of useless because I never do that. And then here are the projects. You can switch between projects over in the project section. Let me just open it for you. So these are some of my projects, and you can go to the projects to switch between projects as I just told you. And then the next feature is the apps feature. Now we go to the apps. Over here in the apps, you can switch between multiple platforms, but it also has some other features as well. So you can go to YouTube over here and write a specific video over there. But the thing about apps, which is the best, is there is a feature over here which is called More from Canva. And over here you can add your photos, you can add new videos, you can add backgrounds, you can add audio like music, and it's like there is no copyright on it. You can create charts even, you can translate it. It just like apps is one of the best features. I mean, text is pretty good, but text is everywhere. Apps, it's an amazing feature. It got like kind of everything in there. I think that app's pretty good. And let me just give you an example. So I'm gonna tell you about some background. we go to background, and in background you can basically like kind of just set a background. You can set it to a plain color, or you can change it by searching for a type of background like electric background, birthday background, everything. So it's an amazing feature. Apps is an amazing feature, and apps is the feature I want all of you to learn about. It's amazing. Alright guys, so now we are done with our happy birthday poster, and now we want to share it. So we are gonna be pressing the, and when you kind of just press the save share button, you can either copy the link and like it'll come, or you can download it. And most of you I know want to download it, and that's what most of you guys have been waiting for. How do we download this onto our computer, and then we can later Bluetooth it to the mobile or any other device to share it with people, or we can just share it on our computer. So this is an MP4 video, but we want it to be a PNG. And now if you have accidentally put any audio or animation in your image, then you gotta just turn it into a PNG. As you can see, video, audio, and animations won't play when exported as this file type. Try downloading as a video MP4. Now we don't want it to be a video, so we are just gonna turn it into a PNG, and we are gonna press download. And when we press download, it will start downloading the image for us, as you can see over here. And when this line hits full, that means it has been downloaded into your MacBook or anywhere else. If it's on a MacBook, if you're using a MacBook right now, it will be shown on the download folder, most likely. Alright guys, so now the final like basic feature of Canva I want to tell you guys about is the create a design feature. Now when you press the create a design, when you press create a design, then it opens this and you can either turn it into one of these, or you can make it custom size. Now most of you guys want to probably make it custom size, so over here you can do it. You can make its random width or height, and if it's gonna be in pixels or inches or millimeters or centimeters, all that. So it's also an amazing feature. And guys, this will do it for today's video, and I will be making a series on this, in which in the next video I will be teaching you how to create videos, and that's gonna be coming soon. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be seeing you in the next one.